molten hot tar to seal the roof against rain. Epoxy is poured into the carved area for a uniform design. Epoxy dye gets poured in the middle of two birch woods to form a table. This machine shines and carves glass into a desired shape. Lacquer gets applied on the flooring to provide shine and protection. This talented handyman patches a burned area by using plaster for a perfect match. Molten hot paint gets poured to form a handicap logo. An armed roller gets used for this purpose. You must be very accurate and creative for this as well. This worker is trimming the hedges of the bush to its desired shape. Look at how satisfying this is. This tool puts a rubber gasket between the gap to seal it off. This control panel neatly organizes wires to prevent tangling and safety issues. A soft brush pad smoothens out the plaster surface. When reaching the corner of a room, a crevice is made in the wallpaper to neatly go around the joint. This is a very satisfying way of peeling a watermelon. You must be very careful not to injure your hand.